Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung F23. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and lastly allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Then click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one for the example. Choose Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on scanning icon on Samsung over here. Then selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and select Receive. Now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!